the anatomy of an attractive internet profile. Do you think that dating sites are an efficient way to make genuine encounters? Genuine encounters on the internet. Do you think you can find here people interesting to meet? Have you the desire to approach or being approached by unknown people? If you have replied yes at least once, then this course will help you a good deal to make a great start on the internet. But you must realize something. The most interesting persons have already been approached anyhow, carelessly, by people coming on to them, both male and female. As a consequence, people, especially women, have developed filters and increased their requirements, thus increasing competition. Hopefully you have at your disposal an easy way to break the ice and go further with people on the dating side. Your profile page. Why? Why? Because 85% of people have a lousy profile page. Thus, the interest of this course to help you craft a profile that will stand out of the competition. In fact, your profile is the first thing people watch, sometimes even before reading your message. So it's better not to botch it up and take the time to craft it with care. We're going to see right away the key elements of a successful profile for a dating site. To be precise, we will split the topic of your profile into 4 elements, 4 different steps. Your photo, your bio or biography, your smile, and your alias. And of course, I will share with you along the way my best insights, tips, and strategies to help you design an awesome profile for your online dating. So, see you right away in the next video.